Hey everyone, Bob here again. I would like to do an exercise again on creating a bell curve, but this time I'm gonna do the histogram as well. I got the same exercise, number of students here, and with individual score. Okay, so the score is the lowest is being 70 and the highest 98. Okay, I'm gonna get the mean number, which is the average, the sigma, which is the standard deviation, the lower limit, and the upper limit. I'm gonna get the score. I'm gonna put the score here, the percentile and the probability, the score needed. Okay. So first I'm gonna get the mean number. Okay, just equal sign, and then get the use the average function, double click that, and then get this number, this range of the score of the students. Then close that, enter. So our mean number is 82.55. The next would be the sigma. Okay, I'm gonna use the STDEV, this one, double click, and the number, which is the same number, same range. Okay, then close it, then enter. Okay, so that would be our average and standard deviation, 82.55 and 8.89. Okay, and next I would be getting the lower limit. This is simple, just equal sign, then mean number, the dollar symbol or dollar sign, then -3, the deviation, multiply by sigma, then F4, then enter. Okay, so 55.87 would be our lower limit. We're gonna use it for our creation of bell curve, and also we're gonna be using that on our histogram in creating the bin numbers for our histogram, but that would be later. Next would be upper number, so equal sign, and same thing, mean number, absolute reference, um, positive this time, +3, deviation multiplied by the sigma, okay, and okay, absolute reference, enter. Okay, get lower limit of 55.87 and upper limit of 109.23. Okay, the next thing that we're gonna do is I'm gonna create the x number. Okay, so that's right in the middle. Okay, the x number would be a little less of the lower limit and a little over of the upper limit. So little less of upper or lower limit would be, okay, I'm gonna start with 50. Okay, sorry, that's not what I want. This is the one. Okay, so 50. So that would be a bit lower than the lower limit. So below lower limit. And then we're gonna create um, all the way to the higher number, just above a bit above the upper limit. Okay, so we're gonna put the next one would be 51. Okay, then pull it down to get up to above 109. Which number would that be? Okay, I think 112 is okay. Yeah, 112 is okay. So that's already above 109. Okay. So the next one would be the normal distribution. Okay, we get the distribution. That's not distribution. This one is distribution. Okay, that would be okay. Okay, gonna put it in the middle. Okay, so the distribution is we're gonna use the norm mist, equal sign norm mist, norm dist rather. norm dist. Okay. Then the next, the arguments would be the x. Okay. Then the mean number. Okay, absolute reference. Then the standard deviation. Then absolute reference, comma. The cumulative, 0. Okay. That would be equivalent to false. 1 would be equivalent to true. I'm gonna explain it to you. So, okay, I'm gonna get the function dialogue. Function arguments is C7, and this one, the mean number and the standard and the cumulative. Okay. Norm dist is the returns the normal cumulative distribution for the specified mean and standard deviation. Okay. X is the value of which you want the distribution. We're gonna test these numbers, the lower limit to upper limit numbers. Okay. So for the cumulative, it's a logical value for the cumulative distribution function. Okay. So you use true for that one. And for the probability mass function, use false or 0. This one, false or 0. So that's why we're using 0. And then we're going to pull it down all the way in alignment with the maximum number. Okay, that would be the distribution. Actually, we can now plot the graph for this one. Okay, I'm going to highlight this one. We're going to plot the first graph on the distribution, then insert the area, then click. Okay, there you have it. Okay, just remove this distribution. I don't want this graph title. We're gonna put another title later. Okay, and this grid, also remove that one. We don't need that one for it to look good, right? Okay. Okay, we'll come back to that later. Okay, we'll just set it aside. Okay, the next one we're going to create is the area. Okay, just equal sign, then quotation mark. We want to capture the text area. Area space equal space equal to something. So we put quotation mark and then ampersand or and symbol. That one. Okay, then get this one, your score. Okay, then absolute reference, then enter. Okay, okay, we forgot the x. Area for x rather. Area for x. Okay, okay, that one. I'm going to adjust this. Okay, that one. Okay, if we put something here like 60 or 70, 90, 75, okay, 70, okay, it changes the header, okay, okay, it changes the header in terms of the number, okay. So we're gonna create that. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna do a logical test, right? So equal sign, okay, logical test is if, right? So, okay, logical test would be if the x number, okay, or the lower limit, lower and upper limit, say x number is less than or equal to your score, okay, and absolute reference, okay. So value if true, you get the distribution, okay. Value false, you get nothing, double quotation mark, then close it, then enter. Okay, now let me see. Okay, that's okay. Now we're gonna pull it down to copy. All right. So it's only up to here. Why? The rest are blanks. Okay, all the way down. Why is this blank? Because our score is only 70 and our logical test is if number X number is less than or equal to your score. And the score that we have indicated there is 70. So that's why 71 is blank. Let's say, for example, we adjust this to 75. See, it adjusted up to 75. Okay. So I want 70. Okay. So 70. Now, actually, we can now plot the second graph. Okay. But I want to do this first. Okay. I will start with 0.6 or 0.7. Okay. Percentage. Okay. I'm going to format this to percentage like that. Then I'm gonna get the probability for this one. I'm gonna use the normin V. This is the one that we need. Okay. So probability, mean, and standard deviation. That's all we need. Okay. This one, the percentile is the probability. Okay. Absolute reference, comma. Then we're gonna get. I'm gonna get the mean. This one. Okay. Absolute reference, comma. And then the standard deviation number, then absolute reference. Okay. And then close it. That's all. Okay. We're going to format it to two decimal places. Just two decimal places, 87.21. All right. So let's say, for example, our percentile is 80%. Okay. 90 score needed. Okay. Or let's say 60. Oh, the number that you're gonna get is only, I mean, you're gonna attain is 84, right in the middle of the score here. Okay, right here, 84. The the percentile of the population observation is right there in the middle. So I think it's attainable, because if you put to higher percentile, 90 is a bit difficult to attain this score. So a student will have difficulty attaining that score. So let's say we just put it the percentile to 60%. It's easier to do it. Okay. So next thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna plot the second graph, which is the okay. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add something here. Okay, just go to the design, select data, and then add. Okay, then series name. Series name would be area for X, 70. And then the range, the series value would be this one under the area for X. Okay, all the way down in line with the lowest number. And then click OK. Okay, the next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna edit the X-axis. Okay, what I'm gonna need for the X-axis, I'm gonna need the X number, this one, all the way down to 112. Okay, then click OK. I think we have done everything here. So that's complete. So just click OK, and then okay, we have it. Okay, let's move it bit to the left. Okay, just move it in alignment. Okay. All right. So you can actually adjust. Okay, 75, 70, 80, for example, or what else? Maybe 82 or 83, right in the middle. Okay. So there you have it. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna move the mean and the sigma numbers here. I'm gonna use it for my chart title. Okay. So just equal sign, quotation mark, then capture this uh, text mean. Okay, then put a space, equal sign, space, then quotation mark, then ampersand or and symbol. Then we're gonna use the round number. Okay. Uh, get the mean number, right? We need the mean number. That one. Okay. Absolute reference. Then the two decimal places. Then close it. Then we're gonna use ampersand again. Then quotation mark. I'm gonna put double spaces. One, two. Okay. So we have space for the number, the mean number, sigma. Okay, the next number, sigma. And then space, equal sign, space, and quotation mark, then and again, and then round, then we get this number, sigma, absolute reference, comma, 2, then close. Okay, simple as that. Okay, so I'm gonna use that as my chart. Okay, first I'm going to lay out tab, then get the chart title of center overlay. This one, then just put equal sign here, and then press the mean. That's this one. There you have it. Our I think this is a bit too large, so I'm gonna adjust it to 14. Okay, that's okay. So there you have it. You got your uh, bell curve, right? Okay. And this time we're gonna add the histogram. So histogram, okay, histogram is a bit simpler, but the histogram is it's almost like bell curve. Okay, almost like bell curve. So we're gonna create the random numbers here. Random numbers. Okay. I'm gonna adjust the column width. Okay. So what I'm going to do next is get the, okay, open the data tab here, then get the data analysis, open it. Then we're going to find the generation, random number generation. Where is that? This one right here. Random number generation, okay? Just click OK. Okay, it suggests this number already from, that's okay, one. But this is too long. Maybe I can, okay, you can put 1,000, you can put 3,000, 3,000, it doesn't matter. But I want a shorter one, okay? This one would be, okay, just normal. And then already suggested the mean number is 82.55 and the standard deviation is 88.89. That's okay. Okay, we don't need that one. The output range. The output range is where we're going to put, okay, right here. That's okay. And new workbook. Okay, that's okay now. Just click OK. Okay, you got your random numbers. The next thing that we're going to do is I'm gonna put the bin number. Okay, capitalize it. Capitalize the bin. Okay. I'm gonna put it right in the middle, like that. Okay. So the mean number, I mean the bin number is equal. We're gonna get the lower limit, right? The lower limit is this one. Then absolute reference. Then enter. Simple as that. The next thing is equal sign. Get the lower limit number. Then plus the sigma. This one, sigma. Then absolute reference, enter. Why I always put absolute reference? Because we're gonna copy it down. So the sigma is only in one place, in one cell. So I'm gonna copy it. So remember this. This is the lower limit. What we need to do is we're just going a bit higher than the upper limit. Upper limit was, I remember it was 109, right? So it should be above 109. Yeah, that's 109, right? So we're gonna put it 180 next. Okay. There you have it. You have already the bin numbers. Okay. So this is going to be on the axis, x-axis on the histogram. So you're gonna find it later. Okay. Next thing is we're gonna open the data tab, data analysis, and then now we're gonna get the histogram. Okay. Click OK. Histogram. Okay. Okay, we're gonna get this, the first input numbers, okay? The input numbers is quite long. See, if we agree with the histogram to put it 1000, that's very long. Will take us some time to scroll down. Oh, see, that's 500. Okay, then click here, and that would be our input range. Now we're gonna get the okay already here, the bin range. Click that one. Then where are we gonna put it? Okay, right here. And then yeah, we should include the chart output. This would be our histogram graph. Okay, and just click OK. Okay, there you have it. Now you have your histogram. All right, see, I told you it's almost the same as the bell curve. Okay, but it's in the bar chart. Okay, it's a bar chart. Okay, on the x-axis you get the bin, and the y-axis you get the frequency, which we have created. This one frequency. Okay, so there you have it. You have the middle one, the mean number here, right here, 82.5 or 83, something like that, or something somewhere here. This one in the middle, between 82 and 91. Okay, so you can move it. Okay, move chart to another workbook or worksheet, or rather worksheet, and you can also copy it to PowerPoint for presentation, as well as the bell curve. Okay, this is how you create the bell curve and the histogram. It's easy. You just do some practice and you'll be able to do it quickly, as I did, right? So I hope you like this exercise this time around, because I have done creation on the bell curve, and I have included the histogram. And if you do like it, please subscribe and share. Thank you for watching this.